Good morning, guys. Start over. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog.
Welcome back to the vlog.
It's your boy Brandon and Pilata. We're here with Steven as well. We are throwing in the turbo.
So today we're gonna be working on my Miata. We're putting on headers. Well, it's like a downpipe header combo from Raceland. And we are also sealing my exhaust because I did not have the gaskets when we put my exhaust on. All right, so here we have the header gasket, and then here we have my two exhaust gaskets that was causing me to have a massive exhaust leak. So hopefully we can get these put in today and get the whole exhaust system sealed up, and maybe my car will sound a little better, not like poop.
I don't think it's gonna sound better. I think it's gonna sound like poop.
Damn. All right, I see how it is.
I mean, think about it.
Yeah, I know. It'll sound like more focused poop.
But at least you'll have like a full exhaust.
Exactly.
Like a good exhaust. Not like mine.
Oh, you stupid rubber too.
Do you want a 10 wrench?
Yeah, give me a smaller wrench. Let me do this one.
Pat was supposed to come today, but he's big loafing, so I don't know where he is right now.
He's coming at like 2.
He's coming at 2. All right, so he'll be here soon.
Oh,
right.
Did you keep this?
Yeah, I keep that. So we got this Slanted rug done for Brandon's garage because we're always working here.
Yes, sir. Her Instagram will be tagged like right here or something.
Yeah,
So-
we'll put her Instagram in the corner like usual, and we'll also put her Instagram and info in the description. So go check her out for some custom rugs.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
I think I just snapped it.
You broke it?
You broke my bolt.
Yes.
God damn it.
There's one more down there.
Wow, you so strong.
I can't take off a 10 mil. Why does it sound like it's breaking? Why?
Oh, one more time. Oh, much better.
All right, so we're getting this heat shield off of the headers right now, and then we'll be unbolting the top of the headers and then the bottom.
You got it?
Underneath.
Yeah. Give me.
Oh, we broke about almost every bolt on.
Well,
the heat
Brandon
shield.
broke all of them. I took off like 2 and they were fine.
Brandon, why you do this?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And that's how many licks it takes to get to the center of a Tootsie Pop.
Alright. Wow, look at this guy. Such a hard worker. Why did you stop?
I have no idea what I'm doing.
We know this.
Yeah, exactly.
We know this.
I do.
Mace, did you drop another one?
Yeah.
God damn it, Mace.
It's on the floor.
I checked. I couldn't see it, but I might be just blind.
Well, once we pull out your headers, we can see a lot.
Stupid. Okay, well, everything should be off. See, I did it.
Put it back so we can unplug the sensor before you break the sensor.
You don't need that.
Damn it, Brandon.
Oh yeah, you're right.
No!
You don't need that.
You're just gonna get a, what is it, a CEO? Check engine light?
Yeah.
I mean, your engine's right here, you're fine.
Yeah. I checked your edges, it's still there.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, keep going. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Why are you so cold?
I mean, it's been sitting for like an hour.
Alright, Mace.
Leave me alone.
Safety, #1 priority. Except when you don't have a girlfriend, like Steven. He doesn't care about dying.
Full contact back.
My car is about to fucking roll over. Oh yeah, my whole tire's touching the ground. Wow.
Wow.
Your car would never roll over. Just look at that. Your wheels are straight. Dude, there's spider webs here.
Thanks. Time to start working.
You have spider. Oh my god, there's a spider in here.
Deadass?
Wow.
Oh, hell no.
Put your dick in it.
Oh, hell no.
Wow.
Put your dick in it. You can turn into Spider-Man.
Oh, shit.
Here, I got you.
No, 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 no.
Look at Mace doing work on his car.
Crazy, right?
Honestly, Steven, I'm fucking done with your shit.
Is that the hanger?
Hold on.
Is that the hanger?
Are you done yet?
Is it out yet?
Hold on.
I'm holding.
Hello?
Okay, fucker, pull.
It's not coming out. Oh, finally, Mace.
Look at that. It's like a little baby.
So if you guys want to purchase this, DM me on Instagram.
Fuck you, hit my DMs. Alright, if this doesn't fit, I'm actually gonna probably off myself. So just like make sure to get it on camera.
I hope it doesn't fit.
I mean, then you get Miata.
Yeah, but I don't want this Miata.
It fits.
Turn it around.
It fits.
Turn it around.
It fits. What? It doesn't fit.
No, you're lying, bro.
It doesn't fit.
You're lying.
What if I flip it upside down?
You're lying. You're lying.
Give me this.
For a 1.8.
Dude, no. It literally said 1.6. Fits your 1.6.
Just reuse the OEM gasket.
Honestly.
Bruh.
I feel like Kev right now.
On a side note, we have these new Fitment hoodies that are actually sold out, but we're gonna be restocking these within our next drop.
Wait, we are?
Are we?
Yeah, I mean, we might as well.
Alright.
Yeah, we are using the regular gasket, because Base ordered the wrong ones. You know, user error, but that's okay.
Bro. The title of this video is just gonna be Steven holds Mace for 3 hours straight.
Hey man, you did this to yourself. I just want you to know that.
Wait. Mace?
What?
It's 418.
It's 418.
Actually?
Yeah.
Wait, are you serious?
No. It's on.
Yeah, it's on 418.
Wait, where's the O2 sensor bung?
There's no O2 sensor button.
I thought there was.
I think it's back here.
I don't think it reached.
It's down there.
Is it gonna reach?
I don't know.
It definitely don't reach.
It's not gonna reach.
Oh, check engine light. Here you come.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so Mace's O2 sensor is too short to actually reach where it's supposed to go in with the new headers. So what we're going to do is we're going to splice it and we're going to extend it and then, yeah. Let's see how that works out.
Alright, so like Steven said, the O2 sensor is way further down than OEM. So we're trying to figure that out right now. Yeah. It's ridiculously far down. I don't know why they designed it like that. Can you ask Raceland guys?
I think 1.8 and 1.6's manifolds, I mean, like, are the same. No, they're not. They're not the same. But I know in the later models, the O2 sensor is farther back.
I think they just moved it all the way back there because...
That's super weird.
Wow, he cut me off.
That's crazy.
What were you saying, Steven?
No, go away.
Alright, so we're gonna probably go get some heat shrink and then we'll be back here. I don't know who's driving because my car's right here and Steven's a pussy and won't drive his car.
Whoa.
So...
See that shopping center?
Right, come on, dude.
So yeah, and then Pat right now is actually not pulling up here. He forgot to go get my tires. Oh yeah, we can tell him to get it.
You see?
Make him do all the work. Yeah, exactly. All right. Yeah, we're just gonna wait on Pat, I guess. All right, we have reached the point of no return.
Wait, that's not the red wire. You have to cut the red wire.
This isn't red?
Dog, we're gonna blow up and die. Oh my god.
It's just one wire, right?
Stop. Ah, stop. Yeah, it's just one wire,
Cool.
I think.
All right, time to extend. All right, so it's just one wire, luckily, and then Brandon's gonna find another wire. Oh,
So
there
this
we
is
go.
a radio wire. And I mean, if it works, right?
Yeah.
Done.
All right, so we got the headers bolted up
We
to the
didn't get
top,
this one.
to the motor. Now we have to get underneath the car, or I have to get underneath the car, and
No, Steven and Brandon have to get underneath the car.
I'm just doing it right now. I'm literally doing the thing right now.
You were fiddling stuff
No.
so that we could record it, so it looked like that you did it. Like, in reality.
All right, so I'm gonna get underneath the car and get the gaskets on the rest of the exhaust to seal it back up, and we should be done other than the O2 sensor. So, yeah. 2 for 1, 2 for 1, 2 for 1, 2 for 1.
Hey!
2 for 1, 2 for 1, 2 for 1. Brandon didn't even have a response to that. He liked that joint.
I'm used to it.
I told you Brandon gets paid. Why doesn't anybody ever believe me?
Alright, so right now I'm getting the gasket on right here. It's actually on right now. I just got to put the nuts back on the bolts, and
Get the gasket on.
then we're gonna do that one right there.
So we're gonna give away Mason's Miata, right?
Who said that?
What?
Fuck you.
Oh, you heard me? What's the
Nate, where do you
This
keep your
guy,
title? Just curious.
In my glove box.
Mason's stuck underneath the car, so I tied his shoes together.
We got the second to last gasket tightened down, and then now we have to do the rear one, and low key I didn't have a gasket for that, but there was a gasket that came with the header gasket that didn't actually fit, but this gasket should theoretically work with that rear flange, so we'll see.
How's it look at Mace?
Solid. Oh, that doesn't work.
So I unplugged a bunch of wires in his engine bay, and I'm gonna see if he can reconnect all of them.
Steven, it's not like your fucking Civic. It was made in the 90s. It doesn't need any wires to be connected to run. Alright guys, so we got the heat shrink.
Yes, we did.
So now it is time to finish this thing and get it back on the ground.
How you gonna tell me a Honda's illegal?
Now we are putting the intake back on. We have the O2 sensor plugged back in. We zip tied it over there so it doesn't sit on the motor and melt. All right, so we're gonna start it up. Let's see how bad my exhaust leaks now. I need the clutch.
What?
Sounds any different.
It sounds like a Subaru.
There's a little bit more rumble.
Yeah.
Very, very faint, but there is.
Whoa, you shot a flame, dude.
Oh shit! Wow. Pat decided to show up.
What's good, vlog? Nice to meet you. Pow pow. Every single one of you. All you, how many subscribers do we have?
701.
7? All you 701 people. But I know this video about to be busting though, so we about to get like all you 10,000 people out there. Bro, these tires, I saw them, I was like, what the?
What?
Alright, ready? Watch this. Ready? Let's race these tires. You wanna race? Let's race these tires. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, so Pat finally showed up.
ready?
He grabbed me the tires for the wheels that are being built right now. Thank you, Pat. I love you.
You're welcome.
So we will be throwing these on, mounting them when we build the wheels. So stay tuned for that video. This exhaust definitely sounds different. All right, guys. So thank you for coming along on this little install today.
Thank you for tuning in to the vlog. My name
just
is
got here,
Brandon
so
Lay.
I did everything.
Pat, you fake. Nah, it's like
I had to
he had
get
to get the
tires.
tires. He had to get the tires. It was okay.
That's just
It
family
was alright.
stuff.
It was alright. Steven, how you feeling?
His hands aren't even dirty.
Cause I didn't do anything. Cause he screamed at me.
Steven
Really?
was bullying me the whole time.
He didn't want me to do anything, so I held the camera and then I was just like, Mace, like, what are you doing?
All right, guys. So like I said before, thank you for tuning in. Make sure to go down, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit all that stuff. It really helps us out. It really shows us what you guys like, what you guys dislike, what you guys want to see more of. So make sure to engage. Go drop a comment too. So we will see you guys in the next video.
Wait,
Whoa.
to those who want the headers, DM me on Instagram @NotBrandonLay.
All right. See you guys.